We'll use a clip remover tool like this, and using the same tool we will take out that plastic cover that's inside the door handle. There you would notice the cover is pulled out, and behind the cover is a 10mm screw that we have to take out. I'll be using an impact gun with a 10mm socket, but you can also use a round head ratchet with a 10mm socket to take out that screw right there. There we got the screw taken out. Once that screw is taken out, now you notice where the master window switch is. Right besides there's a cover that we need to pull out. I'll be using the same clip remover tool to pull that cover outwards first. Behind the cover, notice there's that one screw, and we will be taking it out using a Phillips screwdriver. There it is, we got the screw taken out just like that. Now it's time to take out the master window switch. I'll use a clip remover tool like this, and we'll punch in the tool in that corner right there to slightly pull it outwards. Just like that, you would notice it's coming out. Also pull out from the front side. There you would notice the switch panel is completely pulled out, and behind there is that main plug that we're also supposed to take out. Now using the same plastic trim remover tool, what I will do is we'll be sliding that red color tab upside. There it is. Once the tab is lifted upside, then underneath there is one more tab right there as well. And now what we will do is we will press and hold that tab right there and then pull the plug outwards. There it is, the plug is taken out just like that. Just to show you guys one more time, what we'll need to do here is press and hold this tab right there and then pull the plug outwards. With the plug taken out, right there is our master window switch completely pulled out. Now we'll use a tool like this, and what we will do is we'll punch in this same tool on the edge of the door panel to pull it out. There you would notice the door panel is pulled out, and while we were pulling out this side, notice the other side also pulled out by itself. Now you notice from this corner right here, there's actually that clip which is holding on right there. This time I'll be using a metal clip remover tool like that. We'll punch in the tool in that corner and then pull the door panel outwards. There you would notice the door panel is pulled out just like that. Make sure it's also pulled out from the other top side as well. Now what we'll do is we'll grab the door panel and then slightly lift it upside. And there you notice the door panel is pulled out. Right where you see the speaker, underneath there is a plug that's supposed to be taken out. To take this plug out, first we will need to lift up that white color tab. Once done, then we will press and hold that black color tab and then pull the plug outwards. There it is. So just to show you guys one more time, we pull up this white color tab first, then you press and hold that black color tab and then pull the plug outwards. Once the plug is taken out, now the final thing to take out would be this connector for the inner door handle. Notice it is holding on to that yellow color bracket right there. To take it out, I would recommend using a pliers like this. Using the same tool, what we will do is we will press and hold the tabs of that bracket from both sides to pull that bracket outwards. Here you notice I am trying to press the tab from the top and the bottom to pull that bracket out. Bracket is pulled out. Now we just need to pull out the metal part which is attached with the door handle. With that connector pulled out, that wraps up the takeout of door panel for this door. In case if you want to put back the door panel, just reverse the steps of takeout and you should be fine. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.